Hi, boys and girls. Now we're going to practice writing our short O words with our colors. So the first color that we have is hot, and it's with brown. So we're going to write H-O-T. Hot goes under the brown crayon. Next we have hop, and hop goes with the pink crayon. So let's write hop under the pink one. So pink is down here. Let's write hop. H-O-P. The next word is log. See, log is right there, and it goes with red. So we're going to write log. And then the next word under log is pop, and it goes with gray. Can you find gray? Good, it's down here. P. Oops, I need to scoop my paper up. P-O-P. Good. The next word is orange, and it is the word not. So N-O-T is not. The next word over here, now we're on this side, is dog, and it goes with yellow. So we have D-Og. My next word is cot. It goes with blue. And Bob goes with green. Tom goes with black. And purple is got. G-O-T. Now, if you would like to color the crayons, you totally can. We can go like this and color all the crayons. And keep going. The next one, let's find blue. Oops, that's not blue. Silly Mrs. Stewart. Here's blue. Very good. And you can just keep coloring, and when you're done, you can put it in your mailbox and start your Lexia. Good work.